Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, March 7, 2025, covering market moves in tech, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Key tech indexes closed higher today despite strong negative trends. The Nasdaq 100 ended at 20,201.37, up 148.73. While the Nasdaq Composite Index rose to 18,196.22, gaining 126.96, both showing downward volatility over the past 10 days. Market breadth was notably weak today. Despite price gains, decliners significantly outnumbered advancers. The Nasdaq Composite saw 2,383 declines versus 789 advances, while the technology sector showed 562 declines against 129 advances. Year-to-date returns reveal divergent performance. The healthcare sector leads with an 8.26% gain, while the technology sector has declined 7.55%. The communication services sector remains relatively flat year-to-date. Among top performers, Broadcom led with a 3.7% gain to 186.19, followed by Micron Technology up 3.3% to 92.29. Global Foundries marked its fourth consecutive positive close, rising 2.5%. Year-to-date returns show Micron Technology and Palantir Technologies leading with gains of 9.7% and 9.1% respectively. However, Broadcom has declined nearly 20% over the same period. Among decliners, Marvell Technology fell 4.2% to 69.23. MongoDB hit a new all-time low for the second consecutive day, dropping 1.6% to 189.76 amid strong downward volatility. Week-to-date losses have been substantial, with MongoDB down 29%, and Marvell Technology declining 24.6%. Atlassian has fallen 14.5% this week, despite being nearly flat year-to-date. Nasdaq-focused ETFs showed mixed performance despite upward price movement. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both face strong negative trends with 8 days of downward volatility. VanEck Semiconductor ETF gained 2.4%, though maintaining a strong negative trend. Week-to-date returns show significant variation among Nasdaq ETFs. The leveraged 3x bullish QQQ experienced the largest decline at -10%, while its counterpart, the 3x bearish QQQ, gained nearly 9.8%. Traditional ETFs showed more modest declines around -3%.
Looking at stocks and tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Apple closed at 238.7, up 2.73. Alphabet finished at 175.75, gaining 1.54. Amazon showed a strong negative trend, closing lower at 200.61. Microsoft exhibited very strong negative momentum, ending at 392.22. Week-to-date returns show mixed performance. Alphabet leads with a 2% gain, while Meta Platforms and Amazon lag with declines of 6.4% and 5.5% respectively. Year-to-date, Meta is the only positive performer, up 6.8%. In semiconductor stocks, Wolfspeed surged 18% to 5.95. Skyworks Solutions showed strong upward volatility, gaining 4.1% to 69.74. Qorvo marked its third consecutive up-day, rising 3.9% to 74. Week-to-date returns in semiconductors show Navitas Semiconductor leading with a 6.4% gain. Broadcom has declined 6.6%, while Wolfspeed and Qorvo show modest gains around 2%. Cloud computing stocks showed strength today. Viva Systems rose 4.5% to 246.80, marking its third straight-up day. Zscaler advanced 2.1% to 206.50, its fourth consecutive gain. Snowflake experienced strong downward volatility despite gaining 1.7%. Week-to-date performance shows Okta leading cloud stocks with a remarkable 24.9% gain. Viva Systems has risen 10.1%, while Snowflake has declined 10.3%. Year-to-date, Okta maintains strong momentum, up 43.5%. In AI and robotics, Mobileye Global led gains, up 4.7% to 15.52. Nidec rose 3.2% to 4.54. ASML Holding gained 2% to 729.75, breaking out of 3 days of flat trading. Week-to-date performance in AI and robotics shows ASML holding up 2.9%, while Oceaneering International has declined 11%. Year-to-date, ASML leads with a 5.3% gain, while Oceaneering has fallen 24.7%. Among thematic ETFs, Industrial and Logistics leads with a 2% gain to 27.22. Robotics and Automation, and Robotics and AI and Automation Bull Twox each rose over 1.5%, though all demonstrate strong negative trends. Robotics broke upward after 3 flat days. In year-to-date returns, Robotics leads with a 2.9% gain, followed by Industrial and Logistics at 2.6%. Robotics and AI and Automation, Bull Twox and Automation show negative returns, down 6.9% and 1.9% respectively. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength, with Li Auto surging 6.4% to 29.33. XPeng gained 6.1%, hitting a 1-year high. NIO rose 5.4%, while Polestar broke out of its sideways pattern with strong upward volatility. Year-to-date performance shows XPeng leading with an impressive 99.7% gain. Li Auto follows with 22.3%, while Polestar is up 10.5%. Lucid lags, down 29.5% this year. In quantum computing, Rigetti Computing jumped 9.6% to 9.33, marking its 4th consecutive positive close. Archer Materials gained 6.9%, while quantum computing rose 5.5%. Honeywell International broke out of sideways movement after 3 days. Week-to-date returns show Rigetti Computing up 10.3%, though down 38.8% year-to-date. Quantum computing has declined 68.9% this year, while Archer Materials is down 48.5%. Honeywell International shows relative stability with modest changes. Solar stocks saw dramatic moves, with SUNation Energy surging 147% to 0.44. Array Technologies jumped 18.5%, while Solar Edge Technologies gained 8% on its 4th straight positive close. Enphase Energy rose 6.2%. Year-to-date, Solar Edge Technologies leads with a 27.3% gain. Array Technologies is up 3.8%. Maxion Solar Technologies has declined 56.4%, while SUNation Energy shows an 83.4% drop despite today's surge. Tech Thematic ETFs showed strong gains today. SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF led the group, rising 3.4% to 222.92. First Trust Nasdaq Semiconductor ETF and iShares Semiconductor ETF followed with gains near 3%. All semiconductor ETFs currently show strong negative trends. Despite today's gains, year-to-date performance shows significant weakness. SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF has declined over 10% since January. ETF MG Prime Cybersecurity ETF is the only ETF in this group showing positive returns for the year. though modest at less than 1%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.